Good morning, children. Welcome back for e-learning classes. Today we are here to learn English 2, that is of Standard 2nd, chapter number 3, Say and Write. It is a very easy chapter. You have done this before in your junior and senior KG and also in first standard. So it will be very easy for you to look for the answers in the exercise. So let's get started. As you can see, what is the chapter name? Say and Write, and we are learning here this chapter into three parts. The first part is we are learning animals and their young ones, means babies, what they are called. Okay, animals, their names, and what their babies or young ones are called by which name. And the second part of the chapter is animals and their shelter, that we will do ahead. First we will do the first question, that is write against each animal the name of its young one. Young one means again it is baby. Okay, so first one, cat. What is the baby or the young one of cat called as? The answers are already given in the bracket, children, in your workbook, page number 5. So you have to see what the baby cat is called as. So baby cat is called as kitten. So you have to write it while watching the video, or you can note down the answer. First you do one thing, children, just number the questions, because numbers are not written in the workbook. Just number them, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 are there total. Put the numbers, and then when I am telling you the answer in the video, you can in the bracket note down the answer to each numbers. Okay, so first one is cat. Cat baby is called as kitten. Number 2 is cow. Cow baby is called as calf. Then number 3 is lion. Lion baby is called as cub. Number 4, goat. Goat baby is called as kid. Even human beings babies are called as kid. Okay. Next, number 5, tiger. Tiger again it is called cub. Lion also is cub. Tiger as well as is also called as cub. They are babies. Okay. Number 6, horse. Baby is called as foal. Okay. Number 7 is dog. Dog baby is puppy. And the last one is sheep. Children, it is sheep, not ship. Ship means which sails in water. This animal is called sheep. You have to take a little long. Sheep is baby is called as lamb. Okay, so the first question is done for you. Now children, will go to the second part of the lesson, that is question number 2. Write against each animal the names of its shelter. As I have told you before, there are 3 parts in this lesson, so this is the second part. What is shelter? It is called house, place where people or animal live. It is called shelter, habitat. Okay, so again here I will ask you to put the numbers first. Here also there are 8 numbers, so just note down the numbers against each animal so that it is easier while watching the video. You can note down the answer in the bracket and later on note down the answers in your notebook as well as workbook with neat and tidy handwriting and proper date and heading. Okay, so let's get started with number 1. The shelter of dog is called kennel. It is kennel. Okay. The shelter, that is house of cow, is called shade. Number 3, lion. Lion shelter is called as den. Then number 4, mouse lives in a hole. Shelter name is hole. Rabbit shelter name is burrow. Okay. Sometimes it is hole also for rabbit, but here burrow is the correct answer. Okay. Number 6, horse. Horse live in stable. Okay, rhyming word for table, it is stable. Okay. Number 7, hen. Hen lives in a coop. And the last one again, sheep lives in a pen. Okay, so these are the animals and their shelter names. Now children will go to the third part of the lesson, that is question number 3, that is write the name of the place against the given description. Okay, so descriptions are given in your workbook, so just keep fingers on the lines when I'm reading and you have to identify the answer as per the descriptions given below. So the first one is a place for the exhibition of live animals. So a place which is called where live means living animals are kept. Okay, exhibition means to watch, where we go to watch live living animals, to see them, to watch them, to observe them. Zoo. Correct answer is zoo. So the correct answer for the number 1 is zoo. Note down children. Okay, zoo. Then number 2, read with me children, keep fingers on the lines. Okay, number 2 is a room for artists like photographers, painters and musicians, etc. A room or a, you can say, space where artists like photographers, painters, musicians spend their time or do their work. It is called studio. You have seen many movies or TV shows, serials, they talk about their studio experiences, means behind the scene when they are working or when they are having free time. The place where they are spending their time, artists like photographers, painters and musicians, is called studio. Okay, studio. Then number 3, the residence of a king and his family. Residence means house where people live. Okay, so place where a king and his family live. So where they live, king and his family is very huge and they are very rich, you know, kings are very rich, so they will be having huge house. So huge houses are called as palace. It is not place, it is palace. Spelling is P-A-L-A-C-E, palace. Okay, so where king, queens and their families live in a huge house called as palace. Number 4, a place for exhibiting historical objects. Now a place for exhibiting historical objects, exhibiting again to watch or to observe, to get information about things. Which kind of things? Historical objects. Historicals means very old, ancient. Okay, so very old, ancient objects or things are kept for exhibition. That place is called as museum. We go in our vacation to visit museums to get to know the knowledge or information about the ancient weapons, tools or clothes, things which they have used in war or in ancient period while they were living their lives. Okay, so the place exhibiting for historical objects, number 4 answer is museum. Children, pay attention to the spelling, it is museum. Okay, many children make spelling mistake for this word. They use spelling as M-U-S-U-E-M, but E comes first in museum. Okay, and the last one, number 5, a place where medical treatment is given to patients. Where we go for some treatment, as if we got some hurt, we go to a doctor. And where we find doctors? In hospital or clinic. Okay, they do their work in hospital, doctors, nurses, yes or no? So a place where medical treatments is given to a patient, where we find patients? In a hospital. So last answer is hospital. Okay children, so we are done. this lesson, that is chapter 3, into 3 parts. First part was animal and their young ones, that is babies. Second part was animal and their shelter, that is house. And the last third part was description and the places. Okay, so we are done for the day. Thank you. Have a nice day.